will know that from zero to hero is not possible, ETS possible. Today's video is going to cover everything, so let's start with point no 1. School your 80% chance to become not better. School waste your 20% time, and after school you go to collage, and collage waste your 5% time you waste in school and collage. Question yourself what give you school and collage? You ask. Question yourself, your answer is nothing, so why you lying yourself to become better? Point no 2, your friend circle. Many. This friend circle, your note to compare your friends circle what different you sound no. So I'm not say you live your friends, I'm say improve your friends curl. What method improves your friends? So method is 0 0. 1 step, find your loyal and best friend. 2 step, find your toxic friends. 3 step, find your normal friends. These 3 steps to find your friend cell. Point no 3, your mindset is important. Role play in your life. What you become, your mindset can matter. Strong mindset is build a success story. Nowadays, school and collage create mindset, and weak mindset don't accept changes. You don't accept changes, you be no changing chance to become better. What to do to change your mindset? 1 step, think better, think grow. 2 step, create little change. 3 step, remove negative thinking. Point 4, money. This is most important point in the video. Why reason is without money, you can't do anything. So taking 0 as hero is not possible. Now you know from everywhere that if you keep working hard, money will come. But it will be something like dividing by 0. You should know these things. If yes, then it is not possible. Then let us see how you will get success, friends. Success is not a quick scheme. Do not spend much effort to get it. You will be able to achieve success only on the basis of a lot of determination and a lot of understanding. 0 to hero is not possible, but 1 to 100 is possible. You will first have to become 0 to 1. After that, you will be able to earn whatever you want. 0 to 1 Bon Heiki Lai journey is necessary for personal branding. Personal branding course only $509.99. Link in home description.